National Electrical Code Article 300.15 requires that electrical equipment, such as panel boards, be properly connected before any conductors are installed. National Electrical Code Compliance Interpretation CI 300.15b clarifies that this requirement applies even before pulling wires into raceways. Additional industry standards and specifications include National Fire Protection Association 17 National Electrical Code, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers C2 National Electrical Safety Code, and American National Standards Institute or National Electrical Manufacturers Association WC3 Wire and Cable for the transmission and distribution of electrical energy. These standards and specifications also emphasize the importance of proper coordination between electrical and mechanical trades to ensure that piping and wiring are installed in the correct sequence. Pulling wires after piping is installed can result in several negative consequences. Firstly, damage to conductors. Pipes and fittings can crush or cut wires. Secondly, installation difficulties. Wires may get tangled or blocked by piping, making it difficult to complete the electrical installation. Thirdly, safety hazards. Live wires can come into contact with metal piping, creating a shock or fire hazard. And fourthly, delayed project completion. Rewiring may be necessary if wires are damaged during piping installation. Therefore, it is essential to adhere to code requirements and industry best practices by ensuring that all piping is connected to panel boards before pulling wires.